Hey there, I'm Jillian Kendrick of jilliankendrick.com and Informed Marketing Solutions, and today I want to walk you through the new user interface. Now, I'm an Infusionsoft certified partner, and I also run the user group in Orlando, and I'm getting a lot of questions about the new Infusionsoft user interface. If you currently use Infusionsoft, or if you have used Infusionsoft or you've looked at Infusionsoft in the past and thought, this is either cumbersome or it might be difficult to learn, or, whatever the case might have been, I want to encourage you to take another look at new Infusionsoft, because this interface is really nice and really pretty, and it's going to be a lot easier to use. So let's go ahead and walk through that now. As always, when you first log in, you're going to come to the dashboard. It's going to show you, and this is just a sandbox account of mine, so that's why there's nothing in here, but it'll show you the number of contacts within the last 7 days. It'll show you total contacts, and you can view them. It will show you some sales pipeline processes, total sales that you've had, creating campaigns, sending broadcast emails, and then the leads that you get from Facebook, and you can find out more right there. So let's say I want to start a campaign. This actually takes me to the classic campaign builder, or rather it takes me to the strategy guide, which is where I can then select the industry that I'm in. So let's say I personally am a coach and consultant, and then I want to determine which of the 3 stages of the perfect sales process, or the perfect customer life cycle, which of those 3 stages am I looking to fix or improve in my business. So I want to collect leads, convert leads, or get repeat customers. Let's just say, for the sake of argument, that I want to collect leads, and it'll give me 3 campaigns based on what Infusionsoft knows to be good quality campaigns that convert well. It'll give me 3 suggestions, and I can choose one from there. So let's say I want to create a free consultation request. I can go ahead and do that, and I can install it into my account and create things from there. Back to the dashboard here. If I want to send a broadcast email, I can click on send an email, and then a standard broadcast email will populate, and it looks very similar to the current email broadcast system inside of Infusionsoft. You can click on whatever type of box or tool you want to go ahead and drag and drop in here. You can very easily drag and drop items and buttons and more. And what's great is now you can do A/B split testing, which I'll show you in another video. You can also work on design, color, move things around, change the color of the button, or if you actually know the hex color, which I really love using hex colors, we can go ahead and paste that exact same hex color, if we wanted to, into different buttons and other things. So that's really fun. One of the biggest changes that you'll see within the new user interface has to do with the sales pipeline. So if any of you are familiar with Trello, Trello, it is a task management software that uses what are known as cards, and each card can be added. Let's say new deal, save that. Each card can be added to a list. So each one of these is essentially a list. New deals, qualifying leads, contacting leads, negotiating leads, and maybe you do closed or something like that. And then you can always add more and more and more stages, which is really nice. And then let's say I move from new into contacting, and I can easily drag and drop that card, and I can add, let's say I'm in the middle of qualifying a new lead, new number 2, and I go from that to the contacting place. Or maybe this lead number 2 is hotter than lead number 1, and I want to move them to the top. You can also see that my initials are there, indicating that I'm the person responsible, or I'm the salesperson for this new lead, and then whenever they get move to negotiating. You can just drag and drop and move them to close as well. And that's really, really cool. It'll show up in your dashboard reporting as well. Not a lot has changed with Campaign Builder yet. Like I said, it takes you to the strategy guide and you can choose a pre-built campaign, which is really nice, especially for business owners that don't like writing copy. You can just drag and drop and instantly download a campaign from the strategy guide, which is awesome. Or as always, we can create our own campaigns, and that just simply takes us to the exact same canvas that we're used to seeing in classic Infusionsoft. The reporting, if you've used Infusionsoft before or you're currently using Infusionsoft, this reporting will look very, very familiar to you. There's still a lot here. And no word yet as to how much new reporting we're going to get, but it's nice to see that everything that you expected from Classic is available in the new user interface. We can look at our tasks and details as though it was my day right here. The other big thing that's so important, and if you take nothing else away from this video, please hear this one piece. This new user interface is mobile friendly, mobile ready, and you can very easily create an order and take payments immediately from using the new user interface. So you won't have to use the Infusionsoft mobile app anymore. Infusionsoft, as it exists, will be ready and available for you on mobile anytime that you need it. So that truly is a game changer for business owners. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour through the new Infusionsoft user interface. If you are an existing Infusionsoft user and you're using classic Infusionsoft, know that the functionality for you to toggle between classic Infusionsoft and new Infusionsoft will be coming very soon. If you want more information on Infusionsoft, whether classic or new, or you're looking for any kind of marketing consultation help, please reach out to me at JillianKendrick.com. Thanks so much. Hope you guys have a great day.